How to use ChatSonic. So ChatSonic is actually something that's integrated with WriteSonic. When you log in to WriteSonic, you can see here the WriteSonic or the ChatSonic onto your left sidebar. So click on this right here, and then from in there, this will open the chat that you will have with ChatSonic. So this is actually a good chat bot that can help you identify ranking keywords, templates, as well as articles. So for example, let's write something like write an Instagram description about dogs. So let's say something like that. And then from in there, you can just ask it anything or also just make it command. So click on the send message right here, and then this will understand your query, and this will write the actual command that you have sent. So as you can see, it has created me a really cute Instagram description. So you can head over and then copy this right here and then use it for your Instagram. So that's how you use ChatSonic. Hope we help.